What if downsizing didn't mean you had to give anything up? Welcome to 135 Orr Street, the Harbour Breeze Condominiums in Cobourg, where space, light, and waterfront living come together in a way that feels just right. Unit 212 is a rare opportunity, and I'm so excited to show you why this one truly stands out. This is one of the largest suites in the building, and you feel it immediately. The wide hallways, the open flow, everything feels comfortable and easy. The kitchen is practical and well designed, featuring stainless steel appliances and a generous workspace. What makes this location even more special is that you're just steps from the Cobourg Beach, the harbourfront, marina, and the downtown shops and restaurants. Everything you love about Cobourg is right at your doorstep. Now let's talk about the primary suite, where this condo truly sets itself apart. The walk-in closet feels more like a dressing room. The ensuite is spacious and thoughtfully designed, offering comfort and privacy. You also have a second bedroom, plus a dedicated office. The space adapts easily to your lifestyle. This is the kind of home that deserves to be seen in person.